Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to everybody present here today.
And because of the quality of jobs it provides to a broad cross-section of people.
We are just beginning our journey in NAMTECH.
That we educate students, we create knowledge, and most importantly, we apply that knowledge to tackle the great problems of the nation and the world.
We have had multiple visits to India. NAMTECH faculty have come to visit us on campus, and we're in the process through a pilot program.
The Honorable Prime Minister has stated that he would want to see electronics at 500 billion.
Subsequently, the MIT team spoke about their new initiative.
I request my co-moderator, Dr. Ibrahim Hafiz.
So much for taking your time out, making all the efforts. Last year also we met, and it's really gracious of you to come and be a partner with one of the institutes that we want to build as a leading institute in our country. I would also like to thank the NAMTECH team for being so persistent, so clear-headed, and creating a vision which really will be alive and which will take this institute to a totally new level in the coming years. Thank you all for being with this institute, and with your support only this institute will really become a world-class institute, what our Prime Minister's vision is.